Labyrinth. Come in.
Hey guys, Mr. Crash here. Welcome back to the brand new episode for you today. In this episode, we will have a TH9 looting strategy at Silver Lake. I have dropped my lake for you, and this 3 attack done today by me is here. For this attack, always remember guys, to send your giants away and the barbarians spread them out, archers to be spread out, and the healer behind them. Send your wizards, send your king, send your queen. They will work all in together, they will destroy some troops and get some damage so that the wizards behind them work a lot for them. And the healers are doing their job here, healing up the giants, king, and the healing spell to heal up the rest of the giants which are not in the range of healers. Now as you can see, the healers have been died, but the king and queen have the full health, and around 80% of the loot has been gained away. Here the king, the iron fist of the king, here the queen dead because of the cannon hitting her, and the great goes here the final camp. The barbarians did it and successful. Here's another raid done by me. That is a 3-star again. That was for the 3 lakhs gold, 2 lakh elixir, but I did it 100% to it. So at another strategy, that is 3 lakh gold, 3 lakh elixir, 1500 dark elixir. Let's hit the raid. It gained me 29 trophies and a 3-star raid. The base was quite simple, as it was a new TH9 occurring over there, the king and queen outside, all the loot in the center of the base, as I've been planned to send my giants over the top, covered by the barbarians, archers, healers, and the king and queen sitting inside. As I said, my wizards, as I told you that if we create a funnel inside that, the wizard will go exactly at the center. Here the healer's dead. Now it's time to heal them up. We'll use our healing spell. The king and queen are doing a great job at the center. Here goes the giant into the center compartment. The archer queen working on the storages. Some of the mortars under construction. The anti don't affect. I'm healing up my wizards so that the Tesla doesn't work on him, but the archer queen doing a great job. Here goes the Larrys. Larrys are dead by the wizards and the queen. Here comes the queen, also dead in the seconds. It was done by the wizards, and here the king is hitting my giants a badly well side, but I knew my queen will kill him, and a wizard behind outside him, which was a massive damage to them. The giants killed all the rest of the troops, and it's time to clear. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will write the strategy in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Peace out.